Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for your new favorite skincare tool, you're going to love this one from VRAIKO.
Meet Lily, the neck and face massager, which is my new favorite skincare tool. This helps with skin rejuvenation, with thermal and LED lights and vibration. So it is warming and vibrating, and it has this great LED light in three different settings that all help with different things for your skin. There's anti aging, lifting, tightening, helping to prevent wrinkles, helping to fight against acne, edema, promoting skin circulation, calming the skin. It really does it all, and it feels so good while you're doing it. I love the three different settings. I really love the red light. I find that it feels so nice on my skin. It's warm with a great vibration, and I really just enjoy using this tool. It makes caring for my skin so much easier, and I am so excited to start taking care of my skin and starting the anti-aging process nice and early. It's so convenient also with its own stand and charging cable, so you can keep it charged, ready to use every single day, and I promise you'll love it.
So keep your skin looking clean, fresh, and young with the Lily. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.